Hey you guys, so I know I am jumping on Tuesday this week, but we had a special property just come on the market that I wanted to share with you because it is not going to last long. So I have got my sunglasses on here today still because it is beautiful again here in Gulf Shores. It is about 68 degrees today, sunny and gorgeous. But let's walk through this unit. So this is unit 707 in Crystal Towers in Gulf Shores, Alabama. The listing agent is Brian Gibbons. So if you know Brian, he is involved in pretty much everything down here. He has been in the business for, we'll just say, a long time, and he knows his real estate and knows the market down here. So he is, you could say, a very seasoned, experienced agent in our office. And really just has some amazing properties, and this is one of them. So I'm going to walk you guys through it really quickly. I'm also going to link Brian's contact information down in the comments. So if you have any questions or you would like to schedule a showing, even a virtual showing, if you're not local, feel free to contact him, or you can drop a comment below or message us, and we will get you set up with him to do that. But this is an amazing property. So check this out. Get in here with you guys really quickly. So I took a quick sneak peek before walking in, and I tell you what, this condo comes furnished. There'll be some other additional information linked in with this MLS number, but I wanted to walk you guys through. So you come in here, and I tell you, I don't want to spend too much time on the decor because it is so adorable, but here is the laundry room right as you walk in. So you have laundry in unit. Here is the first guest bedroom. And then as you walk in here, I tell you, one of the most incredible things about this property, here is the second, right here, second bathroom, your guest bath. Got your kitchen right here, granite. I tell you, your breakfast area. Here is your living area. But the best thing about this unit, or one of many awesome things about this unit, obviously, are the views. Here is what would be your master. And I'm going to walk outside with you guys in a minute on this balcony because it's a good sized balcony and a beautiful, beautiful view. Here is your master bath right here. You have the double sinks. So it is just really a phenomenal unit. Like I said, I mean, you could come right in here. It's decorated nicely. Would not have to do much, but one of the most beautiful things about this unit, obviously, is this view. So it's just kind of spans all the way down. There right here is your master. This is your main living area. So you've got kind of a walkout on both. Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. Beautiful unit. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with Crystal Towers, but we are located, as you can see, across from the beach. However, you have right here this covered access bridge, which is very nice. So let's say you want to make your way out to the beach, don't want to cross the roadway, you've got that access right there. You're out of any possible rain that sometimes comes up in the afternoons. You can just walk right across here. I could go on forever about this unit, but I'm going to have you contact Brian to get more details and schedule a showing, because this building also features several amenities and some unique things. So you definitely want to contact him as soon as possible. I know this one will not last long. So thank you guys for joining us today. And like I said, I will link his contact information below. This is unit 707. You guys have a great day.